Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I've got a little bit more done, mostly on the chassis. I'll show you that here in a second, but this is probably a little bit higher than what it's going to set. I've got both of the axles that I got from Iceman painted, this one and that one. I'm really wanting to use the one that's lower. The new wheels and tires that I've ordered in the garage with Zippy gave me a recommendation of a eBay guy that does some nice 3D printed wheels and tires for hot rods like this. So they should be here Wednesday, or excuse me, Friday. Today's Wednesday. And I'll be able to do some mock-up, because I think with the taller axle, the 17-inch rim, if the tire's a little bit taller, should work. I want to try and get that front tire kind of tucked up in here a little bit. The other thing that I'm doing is I'm not putting any paint or primer on the body yet, because I think I'm going to go towards the Street Outlaw exhaust and try and cut a hole in each fender on each side and run the exhaust out the fender. We'll see how that plays out. I may end up trying to have to fabricate an exhaust of some kind if that ends up not working out or end up not going that way, but that's what I'm leaning towards right now. So with all of that being said, I'll take this off so that you guys can see what I've got here. Let me get this out of here. Oh, real quick, I decided to paint the turbo plumbing black and try to hide the little makeshift boots that I had to create here to make it like that's all connected. Anyway, yeah, so I painted them black to kind of hide, because I didn't like it. If you guys remember on my other video I mentioned I didn't like it was kind of out of scale. So now that it's all flat black, it kind of blends a little better. So anyway, let's get these off. And I'll get that off and this one off. So yeah, I've got the shocks mounted. Now this is kind of a makeshift deal, because when I mocked it up, these really aren't going the right direction. I kind of wanted them to go this way, but it looks all right. It's not, it wouldn't work in the real world, I don't think, but for this, it's, you know, the illusion is there. I painted the shocks silver and then I put clear blue over them. Kind of wanted to make them look like an AFCO shock. But yeah, I've got it all glued in here. I got the front springs glued in. And yeah, it's coming along, guys. I am really fighting my being excited and anxious to get this together to see what it's going to look like. So I got to just slow down and take my time. Yeah, I think that's going to be it for this one, guys. Hope you all are having a good week, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.